Welcome. If you're tired of those pop-up notifications that appear while you're using Discord, especially the ones showing in-app activity alerts, then this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to disable in-app activity alerts in Discord updated for 2026, so you'll know exactly where to find the newest settings. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner, you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and tap on that. This will take you straight to your account page where you can access all your personal and app related settings. Next, tap on the settings icon. It usually looks like a small gear, which you've probably seen in many apps before. This button opens up a long list of customization options inside Discord. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Notifications. Once you see it, tap on it to open all of Discord's notification settings. This is where you can manage everything related to alerts, sounds, and in-app messages. Inside the Notifications menu, find and tap Community Activity Alerts. This section controls those small announcements and alerts that pop up inside the app whenever there's new community activity, like when friends post or events start. Finally, to completely stop these in-app notifications from appearing, toggle off the option labeled in-app alerts. Once you switch that off, Discord will stop showing activity pop-ups while you're browsing servers or chatting with friends.